Hello guys, this is Javeer Singh and today I'm in conversation with Supriya. Hi Supriya, welcome to Who's That 360.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so my first question is Briller is known for its zero dilution promise. How do you ensure 100% natural and undiluted products?
So actually, if you see a product, most people only end up seeing the active ingredients. Nobody really pays attention to the remaining formulation. At Brillare, that's also really important to us, and which is why we don't believe in filling our formulations with junk or even with water for that matter. Most of our formulations have aloe vera gel, and this is how we really work towards making every percent of our formulation count.
Products are second part, but you have such a soothing voice. Now it's like keep hearing you, keep hearing you. Jokes apart, my next question is what inspired Blair to focus on clean, cruelty-free vegan products? What was that thought process behind that?
So, actually, I think the thought process behind our brand was just to create something which was a better product, something which was more effective. It gave you better results and it had better ingredients. So, I think the concept of it being clean, vegan, all of that came about with the concept of better. Like, how can we do this better? What can we do better? And that's how, clean and vegan is a byproduct of our mission to provide better products.
Every market is growing too much. There is a too much competition. What makes your brand stand out is this competition.
So, I'll tell you something. In today's day and age, consumers don't really know what they want. And even when they do know what they want, they can't be sure that they're getting what they actually need. So with Brillare, this was really important to us, and this became sort of like an internal mission for our company. So at Brillare, what we do is we're the only company, I think worldwide, that discloses its entire formulation upfront. So there's nothing hidden, and it's completely about being transparent, which no other company does, and that's the crux of our company.
How does Blair balance innovation and transparency?
So of course, innovation is a fundamental, activity at Brillare. Being Gujarat-based, pharma, our roots are very deeply entrenched in pharma. So we're always innovating. With transparency, like I mentioned, Brillare really believes in sharing everything upfront. So even though something might be a new technology or a new ingredient, we are very happy to let our customers, our community know that this is what it is, and then empower them to make their own decisions on what works for them.
That's it from our end, but I must say you are looking so good. I have to compliment you.
Thank you so much, as are you.